Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. It's a bit overcast, but I got a few potato seeds from the UK and we're gonna try them. So Scotty's planting them now.
Want to see how excellent them be?
Yeah,
So we are see if we can drop them out today.
cause me dad said them rotten, but Scotty come look on them and say no man.
You have one and two rotten, but majority
Yeah,
good.
right.
So it's the bug going out here. You can see the one rotten out,
Yeah.
so you put one against it like that.
Okay.
Because normally if you put one against it near, it's rotten from it.
And this is a drill, right?
Yeah, this is the
We
drill.
plant the potato in the drill. So on top of it you can plant something else.
Yes, just like cucumber
Yeah.
and red peas.
So we're gonna plant some red peas.
Yeah.
Not true?
Yeah. If you have cucumber,
Mm-hmm.
you could easily mark this side with cucumber, like how it is a different variety of seed.
Yeah.
So whenever time you are going to put those that you have there from the radar, you can use.
Okay. But me want to do the red peas.
Yeah, well, you get the red peas.
Yeah man.
The red peas going pretty.
Mm-hmm.
So when you're going to get the red peas?
Why Scotty? So how me tired? I don't know.
Yeah, because when I want to stay too long.
Right. But like how you come back when? The 18, the 17?
No, but this a different one.
So much that plant it with it?
Yeah, this is different.
So I can get regular red peas when I shop and plant it?
Yeah, man. Once you can get it out, you don't have to stress yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, just a portion.
Yeah, me I go plant it then. Me I get it man. Me I get it from my grandfather's shop. I just plant some.
Yeah, just plant them. You just try nothing.
Yeah.
Try something and see what result you can get from it.
Yeah man. So we're trying a different variety of sweet potato. This was sent to me. When I say sweet potato, me always I say call Irish sweet potato and call sweet potato Irish. Yeah, this was sent to me from the UK. It's actually Irish potato. Most people just call it potato. And we're gonna try and see how it bears in this soil. I don't know the name of this potato.
It's a different one.
Yeah.
We don't know this one. This is smaller than the white one that they call punta.
Yeah.
Spunta is the name for the white one.
Mm-hmm.
But this one, it show red color and it show like slightly white.
Yes.
So we don't know what kind of brand this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just see the company or the place that produces seed will tell you what kind of brand it's coming from.
Yeah.
But
But you know, so we do something wrong.
yeah,
Like how we never drip it up yet, we shouldn't plant it.
we shouldn't do
We shouldn't plant it like how we not drip up the land.
like how you go.
With the irrigation, man.
You know, if you go.
It's a part now to drip up, not true?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Because you know, say you have to plant it where the drip there.
We are going to try. This is not the excellent Irish potato that we're going to put into the soil.
Mm.
We have a small variety that we get.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to try this small variety that we get. So how prosperous it be,
Mm-hmm.
if it is good, so you're going to ask for some more larger amount of seed.
Right.
So we are trying now to see how excellent it going to perform.
Yes.
So we choose to drop it out of this side here
Right.
from the next one just to see the procedure and
Right.
it. We was dropping this like 2 seed,
Mm-hmm.
but when I look, I see this spears
Yeah.
So eventually now me I remove them
And do them one seed.
one to get the space in another row.
Okay, just to pull out that row.
Just to pull out that row.
So we have 3 rows.
We have at last
4 rows.
4 rows from it.
Yeah.
We have 4 nice rows from it, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have 4 rows.
Yeah,
We
man.
can complete this 4 row here. This could go down here. You look at it.
Yeah, man. Mhm.
Yeah.
Look good, Scotty.
Yeah. We have 4 nice rows,
Yes.
which we get from abroad. So we're going to check out this from the UK. We're going to check out this variety here, because at first we see this type,
Yeah.
this one round.
Yeah,
So
man.
it looking like the round red Irish,
Yeah.
but this is a smaller white Irish.
Yes.
We doesn't know the name of it. But
I
we
got
know,
ask Winston them and
but we know the name
Cindy.
of the red one. The red one name like red Pontiac.
Yeah.
And the white one were bigger than the red one, the name Spunta.
Yes.
That is the one what we normally plant right now. I'm coming.
Mhm. You go feed dash in? Why not over here so we put the dash in?
Yeah.
Oh, over here you find a spot? And the carrot up top. Okay.
Well, we actually complete by dropping out the seed, so we're going to do some little covering now.
Yes.
We do like this. So we are wait for the rain. So whenever time the peas come now, we just get the grain
Yeah.
and place it on the top of this.
So we have the peas alongside the
Yeah,
Irish.
that's how you plant the Irish.
Yeah.
And you go back like how most people do it on the right left hand, but me work on the right hand. So
Okay.
the left hand people would take it from like this. Just like how we started, the left hand here.
Yeah.
This is left hand.
Okay.
So actually you can work on your two hand.
Yeah.
This is the left hand working.
Mhm.
And then now this is the right hand. So we do it on the right hand like this. See how you do it on the right hand here?
Oh. But the right hand one look like it.
Yes, the right one is the right thing. You do it more properly,
Yeah.
more faster, more better.
Okay.
But you have lots of people cannot work on the right hand.
Oh.
You notice you get more bang.
Yes, you get more bank when you
from
do the
your-
right
from the
hand.
right hand. So the right hand, now you would have to go back out of this corner
Yeah.
actually every time
Mhm.
to get it. You just do like that.
Yes. Mhm.
So you actually are wait on rain right now.
Just the rain.
So we are doing a little bit of chopping up.
For the carrot.
Yeah, we have a little.
We can put the carrot here, so.
Yeah, right here.
Right at the
We
little
have a little
spot here.
pack of carrot. We want to try the variety.
Yep. This is it, rainbow carrot.
Yes. So we want to try the rainbow carrot. Above the sweet, the Irish.
Yeah, man. Look on the pretty rich red dirt.
Jamaican soil, but otherwise St. Elizabeth.
Yeah. And you know what Trelawney people say? They tend to say that carrot grow better in a stony land, you know.
Yeah, because they plant a lot of carrot in stone up there.
Yeah, man.
But Manchester don't do that. Manchester gravitate for the level to put carrot.
And St. Elizabeth too.
Yeah, so.
Yeah.
And then now Manchester use the stony to put like peas.
Yeah.
Peas and sweet pepper.
And a lot of people too, I realize they plant the Irish potato in the stony too.
Yeah.
But when you plant it in it, they come bumpy like.
Yeah, because they grow. They grow like the stone.
Oh.
They like how the stone looks.
You see the style mice underneath there?
Yeah.
You can see it. Carrot's supposed to do well.
Yeah, this is way how you chuck up the land.
Guess what I have to do? I have to go back for the ants powder, not like the last time.
You're going to carry the ants powder, a whole lot of work you're going to do.
Yeah.
You're going to carry the knife
Yeah.
and the ants powder.
Okay.
And it's really good. I'm going to go back, but if you can carry it,
Yeah.
with a less for you. You need to.
Yeah.
We need the spray pan. Because all of that potato here is supposed to spray before we leave here today.
Right.
Yeah, because we have the ants powder
Yeah.
and the worm powder.
Right.
So we now leave it, the potato for a worm come beat it for another day or another week or whatever.
Yeah.
So we're going complete with it today.
Yeah, man.
Carry knife.
So carry knife and the powder then.
Yes.
And the spray pan.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, man. I'll go back.
And the carrot seed.
May I have the carrot seed?
Okay, we'll leave with that.
Yeah.
Right.
You know what we should do with this carrot, Scotty? Plant in a row.
You want to plant in a row?
Me think so.
Well, alright, there is no problem. Now chop it up and when you come with this one.
Yeah, you just roll it.
Chop it up so you get more nice.
Alright.
Go on.
So where you're gonna join us for part 2 of this video. Alright?
Yeah.
So thank you guys so much for watching.
Yeah,
See you in my next vlog for part 2 when we're planting the carrot seeds.